Hello everyone. Today again Manisha Bansal is here to help my children to learn mathematics with some new fun, with new games. As we all know, lockdown period is going on. So I thought that my students, they are feeling bored. So I have prepared one game. This is for especially for class 6th and 7th. Children, in this game, with fun and with play, you will learn mathematical operations. Being a mathematics teacher, I have observed that students, they are doing excess mistakes in the operations of the mathematics. When we are multiplying the integers or when we are adding or subtracting the integers. So first of all, today I will start my game with multiplication of integers. Right? You know, I always facilitate my viewers with my phone number so that they may call to me in case of any query. But my viewers, a lot of thanks. So let us start my game. One thing, this is my handmade game. I have prepared myself. Okay, so you can see what I have done. As in Ludo, we are having 1 to 100 numbers in snake and ladder. But here I have just marked negative integers also. You can see as on the number line we are having 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 positive this side and negative this side. And I have marked whatever space I was having from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. In continuity, whatever the columns I was having, I have filled the space in the same way. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11 and so on. Got it? We can take up to any number. And children, I have prepared it on simple white sheet. So it is my request. You also can play it. You also can help your friends and parents also. They can engage their students in such activities so that they can learn mathematical operation very well. First of all, for this what we need this board, we need this sheet of paper with these integers written in this form, and we need 4 dices. These 4 dices, these must be 2 of one color, 2 of one color. Why? This I will tell you later on, right? And here in this game, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any players, they can play with the different color of their dices. Here I have taken blue as well as red. But still, I am here to explain the game. So first of all, I will start with myself alone. Next, to make you more clear, I have taken this sheet of paper. Here I will calculate and then I will tell you each and every step. So listen to me very, very carefully. Okay, wish you good luck for your game. Let us start today's learning with fun and play. What we have to do? First of all, we have to take these 4 dices in our hand and just in such a tricky way, we have to take any 2 dices. I have thrown, right? Okay. So here, if I will place it just here, my numbers are, yellow is 1. See, yellow is meant with positive. Yellow is 1. And this is white. This is having 6. And we have considered white as negative. So it is -6. Now, as I have told in the starting that here I am just going to tell you the operation of multiplication with these integers. It means we are going to multiply. So 1 multiplied by -6, I will get -6. Okay, it means first of all I will go, I have selected here this red dice for me, means from 0 I will go -6 steps. -1, this is our starting point, initial point. Got it? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, minus 6. So my dice will be placed here. Okay. Now suppose, I know now it will be the turn of the second player, but suppose after that I am getting my turn. Okay. Then again these four dices will be taken by me, and I am going to select any two, and I am going to throw it. I have thrown. See, what are these? These are 4 and 3. Okay. 4. 4 is for white, means minus 4. And yellow is 3. Positive. 3 4s are 12. Minus 12 means in the negative side I will go 12 steps ahead, and here addition operation will also be there. Minus 6 and minus 12 is minus 18. So students, they can learn. See, if they will move how many steps? 12 steps. Means earlier we are here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. My answer was minus 12. Answer was minus 12. I have moved minus 12 after minus 6, and I have got minus 18. Got it? Right. Suppose again I am having my turn. Again I have taken these 4 dices and just I am going to shake it, and I am throwing. Right. And thrown. This time both are of the same color. Okay. It is 2. It is 3. Okay. Got it. 2 and 3 of the positive sign means 2 multiplied by 3. I have got 6, and that is plus 6 means now I will move to plus side. Passage is from this here, and minus 18 plus 6. Minus 18 plus 6 is minus 12. Right. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. My dice will come here. Got it? Clear? In the same way we will carry on. Again one more turn I want to take. Again I have taken 4 of the dices. I have shaked it well. Right? And I have thrown it. Okay. This time 2 of the dices are white. 5 and 4. Okay. 5 and 4. Minus 5. Here minus 5 and minus 4 means minus minus plus. 5 4s are 20 plus 20 means I will go 20 to the plus side. And one more thing, minus 12 plus 20, it becomes plus 8 means I must reach up to plus 8. Let us count plus 20. My dice is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20 means I have to come here. Got it? So it is my request to all the learners, to all my viewers, go with this game. Hopefully all these operations where my students of class 6th and 7th, they are doing the mistakes, they will not repeat it. This game is very helpful. I have seen many of my students, they are learning from it and they are enjoying with their friends. And moreover, students, whenever our relatives are coming at our home, we are supposed to give and take gifts. Change exchange of gifts is there. So please have a change exchange of such type of gifts, such type of presents with your friends, with your relatives, with your cousins, with your guests. Okay, Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. God bless you all.